Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect HP laptop with Wi-Fi. And to do this, first let's click on our toolbar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here make sure that your airplane mode is deactivated and it's white like this. Now we can move to our Wi-Fi and make sure it's enabled and that it's blue like I have right here. We can click on the arrow next to it to see the list of all available networks. You can scroll down on the right and find whichever network you want to connect. Click on it once and then select connect. Before, you can also enable it to connect automatically when you start your laptop. Now let's enter the password. Hit the enter or next and you'll be connected with your Wi-Fi. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.